I would like to introduce Lynn McHugh, one of our EAP counselors. We're here to talk about the pandemic fatigue.
It manifests in different ways for different people. I think we're seeing the highest levels of concentrated stress in a lot of our healthcare professionals and first responders. And we feel it across all realms of our world and our professional landscapes. We have many employee companies who are really taking the initiative to create and provide the kind of supports for their staff that might be really important right now. Stop in and talk with a counselor, that we can sort of focus on trying to support people and help alleviate some of that. I've met doctors and nurses saying, I've had 4 patients just come in and we may not be able to save all 4 of them. Family stuff happens, relationship stuff happens, mental stuff still happens. It's really important that people have that opportunity to talk about those other things too. As an employer, when you're starting to see changes in people's behavior, you might see people calling in more frequently. You might see a change in their ability to produce and create the kind of work that maybe they did. There's a lot of signs of burnout. And the first step of that is realizing that it's very real. If you find yourself more irritable, reacting to things that maybe you never loved, but maybe now it's just, there's no room in the bucket for it. Difficulty sleeping, changes in appetite. It's just really important that we know the signs of our own burnout, compassion fatigue, when we're trying to help people to recognize when we're not okay, make that a priority. Make an appointment, come talk. We can meet via telehealth. We have some in-person availability. Reach out to your HR representative to find out what's available for me. For some people, it's hard to acknowledge to somebody, I need help. You also can be that role model for someone else. Being the first kid to raise your hand takes a lot of guts.
There is help out there. And if you're not an EAP company, you can still give us a call.